Hello dear students, welcome to 7th class science online sessions. In the previous class we discussed about acids and bases and differences between acids and bases also. Today I would like to teach about salts, the third type of the substance, that is salts. What is salts? Salts also chemical substances. Salts are chemical substances. These salts can be formed by the reaction of acids and bases. How salts are produced? How salts are formed? Salts formed by the reaction of acids and bases. What will form? Salts will be formed. So to obtain salts, we have to react acid with any base to get salt. So when acid and base react each other, what will form? Salt will form. This kind of reaction is called neutralization. Because look at here, neutralization means when acid react with base, it's form salts. This process is called neutralization. Are you clear, dear students? Neutralization means when acid react with base, it forms salt. This process or this kind of reaction is called neutralization or neutralization chemical reaction. Means to obtain salts, acid and base must be react. For example, if you take hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, and base NaOH, sodium hydroxide. It is a acid and it is a base. When acid and base react each other, it forms salt, sodium chloride salt, plus this hydrogen and this O. What form? Water will be formed. Look at here from this chemical equation. Hydrochloric acid is a acid and sodium hydroxide is a base. Acid and base react each other. And what form? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a salt. Sodium chloride will be formed. From this observation, you can say to form salts, to prepare salts, when we react acid with a base, we will form salt. So this process is called neutralization. It is very important for one or two marks. What is neutralization reaction? When acid reacts with a base, it forms salt. This process is called neutralization. Because you know already about pH scale, the numbers start from 1 to 14. At the center number is 7, it is neutral. Why it is called neutral? It does not contain acidic characters or basic characters. That's why it is called neutral. So when acid and base both react each other, it does not contain any acidic and basic nature. It have a neutral because the acidic character and basic character nullified, neutralized. That's why it forms salts, means neutral. There are different salts. Best example is NaCl, sodium chloride. It is also called as a common salt. Common salt, what we are using in our home to give taste to the food. Just imagine, without salt, is our food tasty? No, it is not tasty. By adding salt, it gives and it adds more taste to the food. So sodium chloride is the normal salt that is used in our day-to-day life. Salts can be classified into two major types. Salts can be classified into two major types. They are acidic salts and basic salts. What are acidic salts and basic salts? Look at here. If salt is formed by concentrated acid and diluted base is forms acidic salt. For example, acidic salts. That means when strong acid and weak base react each other, it forms acidic salts. Are you clear? So at here the dominant character is acidic character because it is strong. So when a strong acid reacts with a weak base, then it forms acidic salt. What about basic salt? It is quite opposite. What about basic salts? When a weak acid react with a strong base. Look at here, which one is the dominant at here, which one is more strengthened at here. Yes, base is more strong, more strengthened at here. That's why when a strong base and a weak acid react each other, it forms basic salt. So these are the two types of the salts. This is about salts. Once summarize what we have learned in this class. Today we discussed about salts. What are salts? Salts are nothing but chemical substances. How they form? Salts formed by reaction of acid with base. When acid and base react each other, salts will form. What is neutralization? Neutralization means when acid reacts with a base, it forms salts. These salts are nullified. They does not contain any acidic and basic nature. This process is called neutralization. We discussed about there are two types of salts, acidic salt and basic salt. What is acidic salt? If the salts are formed by weak acid and strong base, that salts are called basic salts. I would like to give you a small homework, that is list out the names of strong acids and weak acids. List out strong bases and weak bases in a table form. Means keep the heading strong acids and weak acids. Write all strong acids names in this column and write all weak acids names in this column. I hope you understand. In the next video I would like to teach about indicators, about litmus papers, about pH scale, about universal indicator. These all things we are going to learn in next concept or next video. Thank you.